Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it, guys. This video we're gonna go over the Bitcoin update, the XLM update, and the XRP update. Looks like XRP keeps pumping, guys. It did get as high as $2.87 earlier today. It looks like it's gonna keep mooning, guys. Looks like this cycle is gonna be very bullish for XRP and XLM too, I believe. But before we get into those updates, let's take a look at the crypto bubbles, see how the day is doing in general. Looks like it's mostly a green day, at least for the top 100. I see a lot of big green bubbles and very few little red bubbles. We got HBAR, it's up 57.7 up for the day. It did get as high as 38 cents. I believe it's about 37 cents right now. HBAR is definitely making a move, so kudos for those of you guys who hold HBAR, guys. Definitely making a move. Then we got Kea, it's up 42% for the day. Then we got Ondo Finance up 37.4% for the day. Also a good RWA play. If you're looking for a good real world asset token, Ondo Finance is probably one of the top RWA tokens, guys. So don't miss out on Ondo. And then we got VeChain up 35. Oh, now it's 32.6% for the day, and Flare on the XRP ecosystems up 22.1% for the day. So yeah, guys, a lot of random coins are popping off. Even Jasmine coins up 14.5% for the day. One of the channel favorites here, it's already up to 0.33, so 3 cents 3. So yeah, hopefully you guys saw my videos when Jasmine was around 1 cent and a half. You'd be up at least 100% up. But yeah, guys, let's get right into the Bitcoin update, and then we'll do the XRP and XLM update as well. Bitcoin at the time of recording is $96,074 right now at the time of recording. The December 2 trading day just ended about 3 hours ago. Here in the US it is December 2, but December 3rd trading days has started. And it looks like Bitcoin has just been consolidating, like for the last week and a half. Let's see how many days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 days, and we're starting our 11th day. So yeah, guys, about a week and a half has just been consolidating. So I do expect a move up tomorrow. There's a lot of shorts at $100,000 for Bitcoin price. So I do believe the market makers probably want to liquidate them, and it's about time that Bitcoin moves up. Right now, it's not the time to be bearish on Bitcoin. We are in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin. So I do expect a rally instead of us correcting under 90,000. I don't think we're gonna correct under 90,000. We've just been going sideways for the last week and a half. Actually, the last 2 weeks since November 13, we've just been going, actually that's more than 2 weeks now. It's about 2 weeks and a half. So yeah, we've just been going sideways for the last 2 weeks and a half between 90,000 and 99,000. So I do expect a leg up here, maybe tomorrow or Tuesday. I do see a leg up. We're probably gonna crush 100,000, and once we go past 100,000. There's not that much resistance. I mean, it's basically new all-time high. It's nothing but blue skies. So I do see a quick, we'll probably do a quick, parabolic green candle, maybe all the way up to 110,000. And I'm still waiting for the 100% move here from November 6th. If you guys have seen my previous videos, I've shown you guys in the past in the charts how every time Bitcoin goes into price discovery, it takes about 3 to 4 weeks. It has done it in the past where it does a 100% move. So the previous all-time high was 73,600, and it broke that in on November 6th. In 4 weeks from November 6th is December 4th. I don't know if it's gonna complete the 100% move. I mean, they'd have to get to 120K plus here. Within a couple of days. I mean, it's totally possible, but it might be longer than 28 this time. I mean, history repeats. History rhymes. It's not exact, but it does rhyme. Last time I did it, in 4 weeks, maybe this time it'll do it in 4 weeks and a half, or maybe even 5 weeks. But I do believe before we do a 30% correction on Bitcoin, we're gonna rally up to like at least somewhere between 120K and 140K. So it's probably gonna be sometime next week. So probably the next 7 days we should see a Bitcoin local top somewhere between 120K and 140K. I do see a rally coming. I do not see a strong correction coming for Bitcoin anytime soon. It has to make that. According to the charts, nothing is guaranteed. Nothing has to happen. But on my analysis, from what I've been researching, I do believe Bitcoin is going to complete this 100% move before it does that 30% correction. So it'll probably do it sometime in the next 7 days. So that's why I'm expecting Bitcoin sometime next week to be between 120K and 140K, guys. So yeah, guys, don't get bearish on Bitcoin. I don't think it's gonna go under 90,000 anytime soon. I do believe it'll be 120K, some price range between 120K and 140K sometime in the next 7 days, guys. So yeah, stay bullish on Bitcoin, guys. And I do see Bitcoin continue to rally. It's going to continue, even after it does its 30% correction, after it makes a local top sometime next week. Don't get shaken out. That's not going to be the end of the bull run. I do see Bitcoin basically rallying all the way up to sometime in March 2025. Of course, you're going to have corrections. Like I said, probably once it hits around 120K, 140K target, somewhere in between there, it'll probably have a 30% correction. But after it has that correction, it'll consolidate and then rally up, for the next leg up, guys. And I do believe, Bitcoin will be making higher prices until March 2025. And then I do see bearish signs for March 2025. We're probably gonna have a heavy correction, probably 50% or more correction once we get to around March of 2025. But for now, guys, stay bullish on Bitcoin. Everything is looking good. This is the perfect time to be bullish on Bitcoin. This is the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Ever since August 5th, the Black Monday low, we've been making nothing but higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And we're about to go up into a higher high here within the next week, guys. So we've been trending up now for all of August, September, October, November. So that's 4 months. So I do believe usually Bitcoin trends about like 7 to 8 months. So December will be the fifth month. It will be trending up. January will be the 6th month, and February will be the 7th month. So usually after 7 months, of going in one direction, Bitcoin tends to go the other direction. That's why I believe we're probably gonna stay bullish on the rally for Bitcoin until about March 2025, because after February, that will be the 7th month that Bitcoin continues to the upside. There has been instances in the past where Bitcoin rallies up higher prices 8 months in a row, but the average is about 7 months. That's why I'm gonna take a look at March. Maybe March will start correcting, but there is a small chance we'll have a bullish March. But then if we do have a bullish March, then we'll probably have a bearish April, because about 8 months, 7 to 8 months is the average that Bitcoin continues to the upside when it starts its parabolic bull run. So basically it's been the trend has been up since August. So after 7 months would be after February. So that's why my target for the rally to make a strong correction is around March 2025, guys. So yeah, stay bullish on the trend, because the trend is your friend until the end, and right now the trend is bullish, guys. And let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance, see what it's looking like. Yesterday it was around 56.87, right around there percent, and right now the Bitcoin dominance is 55.84%. So it dropped a whole percent. That's why you're seeing a lot of altcoins popping up: HBAR, XRP, Jasmine coin. I mean, there's a ton of them out there that are random coins just popping off. Algorand. Like I've said in my previous videos, once we get to around 55% Bitcoin dominance or lower, then that's when I think the true altcoin season will start. So we're almost there. So are we gonna hit 55% or lower before Bitcoin rallies past 100K? Or are we gonna, or is the Bitcoin dominance gonna go up, pretty soon if Bitcoin does, rally past 100K and maybe up to 120, 140K? I think the latter is gonna happen. I think the true altcoin season. I don't really know. I don't have a crystal ball, but from the research I've done, I think Bitcoin is probably gonna break 100K this week and rally pretty hard up to 120K. 240K. It doesn't mean that altcoins are going to crash or anything like that. Altcoins, random altcoins are going to still keep popping off. But what I'm trying to say is that I believe Bitcoin is going to rally, to higher prices here this week, starting tomorrow. This week, that starts Monday, all the way up to Sunday next week. I think Bitcoin is going to rally, and if Bitcoin rallies, that'll make the Bitcoin dominance go up again. And so that'll probably mean that the true altcoin season is not going to start yet. But it doesn't mean that altcoins are going to crash or anything like that. There'll still be random coins popping off, and I do believe XRP is going to keep going up. I think XRP is on a mission. I think it's going to get to higher prices pretty soon here. So what I'm trying to say is that if Bitcoin dominance goes back up, Bitcoin rallies this week coming. That just means that the true altcoin season will probably start as a Christmas rally, because I do believe the true altcoin season will probably start sometime in Christmas or the beginning of next year. So we'll have like a true altcoin season Christmas rally, or a true altcoin season a New Year rally. That's when I see the Bitcoin dominance dropping underneath 55. Now I might be wrong. Maybe Bitcoin keeps consolidating and the and the altcoins keep rallying. We'll see what happens, guys. But I believe that Bitcoin is probably going to start running tomorrow, the next day, and we're going to see Bitcoin dominance go up, and Bitcoin will break 100K and go to higher prices, and so that will make the Bitcoin dominance go higher. But we'll see what happens, guys. Either way, it's all good. Don't get bearish on the market either way. I do believe in general Bitcoin and your favorite cryptocurrencies are going to make higher prices from here to March 2025. It doesn't mean there's not going to be corrections. Nothing goes up in a straight line. So there is going to be corrections on Bitcoin and your favorite cryptocurrencies. But in general, if you bought something right now, you'll definitely have higher prices for your favorite cryptocurrencies by March 2025, guys. There's going to be a lot of gains here pretty soon. As soon as the true altcoin season starts, you're going to see your favorite cryptocurrencies do 100% moves every day. Some are going to 10x, some are going to 20x, some are going to 30x, some are going to do 50x, some will even do 100x's, and some will even do about 1000x gains. Some of your favorite currencies will do that 1000x. Hopefully, you're pretty diversified, because nobody really knows which coins are going to do the 1000x. So that's why I have a bunch of coins, and and I hope I hit a few 1000x's, and make some good money. I'll probably make some 10x's here and there, some 20x's, some 50x's. Maybe one will do 100x, and maybe one will do 1000x. Out of all the coins that I own. So it's always good to diversify, because you really never know which are going to be the biggest gainers. But we have an idea. You want to make sure it's a good project. You want to make sure they're not going to get rug pulled or anything like that. There's always the meme coins. Again, don't put all your life savings into the meme coins, because you are going to make money on them, but they usually go up pretty fast, but then they crash hard. So just be careful if you're trading meme coins. You can make money on them though, but just be careful. All right, guys. Now into the XRP price range. To the XRP update. Current price of XRP is $2.75 at the time of recording. It did get as high as $2.87 earlier today. At least on the Coinbase chart, it got up to $2.87. Like I said yesterday, when it was like at when it hit tap 250, I was pretty sure that XRP was going to keep going up. Everything is looking very strong for XRP. Like I've already said, Gary Gensler, he officially quit. He's going to be out of office by January 2025. And that's also when Donald Trump takes presidency. He'll be the president of the United States. And he's definitely pro-crypto. I mean, he's definitely making moves. He's talking about, making a crypto czar. He's talking about making Bitcoin, the USA, reserve, currency, reserve currency. He's got Elon Musk and Vivek Ramsey. They're the leaders of Doge, the Department of Government Efficiency. Which basically, they're both pro-crypto. So I mean, a lot of people are pro-crypto on the government in this 2025 when everybody takes office in 2025. I believe there's like over like 270 between the Congress, the House, and the Senate. I believe there's over 270 positions that were elected into office in November 5th, and there over 270 positions are pro-crypto, guys. So definitely stay bullish on crypto, guys. And I do believe look at this volume at XRP. The volume is high. So I mean I don't want to fade XRP. I mean if you look at the chart, you could easily say it's due for a correction, and it might correct a little bit. But I wouldn't be selling my XRP or anything like that. I'm gonna hold my XRP because I do believe this is the cycle for XRP and XLM. I do believe XRP is going to go to higher prices. My next target for XRP is $3, and if it does crush $3, my next target after XRP would be the current all-time high of $3.35. So look at this. Every day it's been making a new all-time high. Since November 27, boom, new all-time high. November 28, new all-time high. November 29, new all-time high. November 30th, new all-time high. November 1st, new all-time high. December 1st, new all-time high. And then it just made the new all-time high December 2nd, today $2.87. And it started the trading day of December 3rd. And it's, very bullish. It's only gone as low as 264. So that's, like a very small correction. It's not even correcting that much. And it's already up at 276. So, I don't know. I wouldn't fade XRP. I'm not going to be selling my XRP. I'm definitely not going to be bearish on XRP. XRP has been suppressed for the last 7 years. So, it's been coiling up. So, I think, XRP is about to explode. It's already been exploding. But I'm definitely not fading XRP. My price target has been $15 for XRP, but now I think it's going to go higher than that. I'm not even going to set up a price target. I'm just going to wait till March 2025, and whatever the price is, if it's at 15, 20, 25, $50, whatever price it is, that's when I'm sell about half my XRP, because in the past XRP it moonshots for about 4 to 5 months. But then it tops off. It tops off after 4 to 5 months, and then and then it crashes hard. Watch, I'll show you on the chart. Let's look at the 2020 cycle, and we'll see in the chart what it does. Let me get to the 2020 cycle here. Oh, you know what? Did I pass it? Oh, you know what? This is Coinbase chart. I gotta go to the Binance chart because the Coinbase chart doesn't have all the history on XRP. But here now I'm in the Binance chart here. So let's get right into it, guys. Let's see. We're looking for the 2020 cycle. Show you guys how it moonshots for about 4 to 5 months, but then it crashes hard. So we definitely don't want to hold it after 4 or 5 months. Maybe sell half of it, and and see what it does after it does a big correction. because that might be the top, or it might keep mooning even more, since it is a very bullish cycle for XRP. Here, let's check it out. Okay, where's 2020? We're almost there. Okay, see, here's November 20. Okay, but this is when the US started to run hard, but then in November 2020 was the year that Gary Gensler started the Ripple SEC case, so it crashed hard like a 75%, and then it rallied. See here, it topped off in April 13 of 2021. So let's see, it rallied, because it made a lower low from November 5th, the elections. It was like November 5th. It was about it was like 23 cents, but then it made a lower low on December 28 of 2020 of about 17 cents because of the Gary Gensler. But then it rallied hard. It rallied hard, rallied from 17 cents, all the way up to 197 until April 13. But see, guys, it did that rally from December. So basically January, February, March, and 3 months and a half, and then it was done. That was the top. See, so it only did 3 months and a half tops. And if you include the rally from November 5th, November 5th, that would be December 5th, January 5th, February 5th, March 5th, and April 5th, that would be about 4 months, and a half. So depends where you want to start the rally. If you started in November 5th, then you did like a 4 months and a half rally to the top, even though it had that big correction. But if you started, from December 29 when it was at 17 cents, then it only did it in 3 months and a half. It just did January, February, March, and then 2 weeks into April, and it was done. Because it topped off on April 14th, 2021. So yeah, somewhere between 3 months and a half and 4 months and a half, and XRP is done mooning. It moons hard, like anywhere from 3 months and a half to 4 months and a half, but then it crashes hard. See, after April 14th, 2021, it's been under that price, until just yesterday or 2 days ago. So that's about 4 years basically, or almost 4 years. So let's take a look at the 2017 cycle. See how many months it moonshot it, and then it crashed from there. 2017 was bullish for XRP. There was no Gary Gensler or SEC case or anything like that. So let's look at that example. Maybe this cycle of 2024, 2025 will be like the 2016, 2017 cycle. Okay, where are we here? So this is when it made the top. 2018, yeah, this is when it made the top right here. Oh no, wait, that's not the top. Hold on, we're almost there, guys. We're almost headed to the top here at 335. Yeah, so I made the top actually it was more than 335. About 350 on January 4, 2018. So let's see when it started running. Okay, so it started running. It basically started running in December of December 12, 2017. Is that right? Oh no, here we go. It got bigger. Okay. September 2017, which it just went sideways. I guess we could let's see right here. It started running here. I guess this cycle was different because it ran up. Was a lot lower prices. 03 April 2017. So this cycle it ran all the ran all of 2017, which would be all of 2025. If we take it into consideration, it ran up to from 1 cent. 1.7 all the way up to 45 cents. So this is when it had its big run. So the question is is XRP gonna run like 2017, where it basically ran the whole year of 2017, or is it gonna be like the last cycle where it only ran 4 to 5 months? So that's gonna be up in the air, guys. So that's why in March 2025, I'm gonna take a look, see what XRP is looking like. I mean, if I have some good gains, I'm gonna sell like half my coins, because we don't know if this 2024-2025 cycle for XRP, if it's gonna be like the 2020-2021 cycle where it only moonshotted like 3.5 months to 4.5 months and then it was over, or is it gonna be like the 2017 cycle where it basically made higher prices all of 2017, and 2017 would be like 2025, so it might make higher prices all of 2025, and go and make like tremendous gains, and then it topped off in basically at the end of 2017. The actual top was January 4th, 2018, but you could just say at the end of 2017 it topped off. So yeah, guys, is XRP going to run all of 2025 like it did in 2017, and then top off until the end of the year 2025, or is it going to top off in somewhere in March of 2025, like 3.5 to 4 months, 4.5 months running from when it started running here on November. So like 4 months from November would be December, January, February, March. So that's why I'm wait and see what XRP is doing, but I'm probably gonna sell like half my coins just to be on the safe side, sometime in March of 2025, just in case it does repeat the 2020 cycle where it just runs for like about an average of 4 months and then it tops off and then it does nothing and then just crashes hard, or is it going to run all of 2025 till the end of the year? It is very bullish, so there's a good chance the XRP keeps rallying all of 2025. That's why I'm not going to sell all my coins in March of 2025 for XRP. I'm only going to sell half my coins just to make sure I lock in some good prices, because history has shows us two scenarios. The number one scenario is the XRP runs for like an average about 4 months and then it crashes, or it could run the whole year 2025 and make mega gains. It might even do like 100x or higher. So we'll definitely keep looking at XRP here in the channel every day, guys. But yeah, stay bullish on XRP, because either way, either scenario, it's gonna run be very bullish until March 2025. Like, that's almost guaranteed. But again, nothing's guaranteed, guys. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so or because anybody says so. Do your own research and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose. But you see in those two scenarios, in the 2017 scenario, XRP ran all of 2017 till the end, and made mega gains. So 2017 is the same as 2025, because it's every 4 years. That was the top of the bull run for Bitcoin and XRP, and then 4 years after 2017 would be 2021, and 4 years after would be 2025. So is XRP going to do repeat the 2017 cycle where it runs all of 2025 till the end of the year, or is XRP going to repeat the 2021 cycle where it runs only up to runs only for 4 months and moonshots, and then it crashes hard and it doesn't go into higher prices? We'll have to wait and see, guys. But don't get bearish on XRP. That's why I'm only gonna sell half my coins on March 2025, my XRP coins, and then wait and see what it does afterwards. I'm gonna hold half my XRP coins for higher prices at the later for quarter 4 of 2025, guys. So yeah, guys, either way, guys, you can't fade XRP. It looks like it's gonna have a mega cycle. I do expect XRP to be bullish and do moonshots until at least March of 2025, and there's a 50% chance it could keep moonshotting all the way until the end of 2025, guys. So we'll have to wait and see what happens, guys. But either way, we're gonna make a lot of money on XRP, guys. Hopefully you're holding XRP, and you're gonna reap the rewards in 2025, guys. So yeah, guys, remain bullish on XRP. Right now, my next price target is $3, and if it does crush $3, my next price target would be $3.50, which is the current all-time high for XRP, guys. But yeah, either way, guys, stay bullish on XRP. Looks like there's nothing that's stopping XRP. Looks like it's going to be the cycle for XRP, and I believe it's also going to be the cycle for its partner in crime, XLM. Because I do believe XLM and XRP, they kind of run together. XLM usually follows XRP. XRP, already, moonshotted and consolidated and kept moonshotting, and I believe XLM is about to follow. XLM has been consolidating for the last, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. So I mean, it's due for a moonshot. Current price of XLM is 57 cents. The current local high is 63 cents that it made in November 24. So I mean, it's only 6 cents away from the local top. So I mean, it's been making, look at that. If you look at the chart, it's been making nothing but higher highs and higher lows every day. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So I mean, the trend is up and the chart is bullish, guys. So that's why I see XLM, breaking out here at any time. Might be later tonight or tomorrow. I do believe XLM, follows XRP. So I believe, since XRP had been moonshotting, XLM's about to go into next parabolic move, guys. So my next price target for XLM is about 73 cents. It might, moonshot to 73 cents. And make a tap at 73 cents and do a small correction from there, because 73 cents is the 2021 high for XLM. So I do believe XLM is gonna tap 73 cents and maybe stall there for for like a day or two, but then it'll probably break through 73 cents, and my next price target after 73 cents is 93 cents, because 93 cents is the current all-time high ever for XLM, which it made in 2018. So that's why those are my next price targets, 73 cents and then 93 cents. But I do expect XLM to start moonshotting here at any time. It could be tonight, it could be tomorrow. You see all these random coins popping up, and look at this chart here. It's just coiling up. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. The last higher high was 60 cents, and I do believe it'll break 63 cents here pretty soon. Maybe sooner than we think, guys. Probably by tonight or tomorrow we'll see a higher XLM than 63 cents, guys. So yeah, guys, XLM is XRP's partner in crime. Well, not in crime, but it's just his partner. They move together. Definitely I do see XLM getting to 73 cents at any time soon, guys. And basically I think the same thing goes for XLM. XLM in the 2021 cycle, it did the same thing. It did like a 4-month like a moonshot from I believe from December to May. So basically it mooned all January, February, March, and April, and it topped off in May, and then it was over, and then it crashed from there. But then in the 2017 cycle, it mooned all year, just like XRP did, and it made mega gains. So that's the two scenarios I see for XLM as well as for XRP. Is XLM gonna moonshot into March of 2025 and then a crash, or is it gonna moonshot until March and then correct and then consolidate and go for higher prices until the end of 2025? So this might be a mega cycle for XRP and XLM because they move together. We'll have to wait and see. But I'm gonna do the same thing I'm doing with XRP with XLM. I'm gonna sell half my coins of XLM in March of 2025, and then lock in some good gains, because we don't know if it's gonna crash pretty soon afterwards, or if it doesn't crash, if it does a correction and then consolidates, it might go into higher prices until Q4 of 2025. So that's why I'm only selling half my coins of XLM in March of 2025, and I'm gonna hold my other half of coins that I hold for higher prices for the end of the year 2025. because I have a feeling that it might be a mega cycle for XRP and XLM, like the mega cycle they had in the 2017 cycle, guys. So yeah, guys, remain bullish on XRP and XLM. It looks like they're gonna repeat the 2017 cycle, but just in case, I am gonna take profits in March 2025 for both XRP and XLM. I mean, you gotta lock in profits because I mean, nobody has a crystal ball. We don't really know what's gonna happen on the right hand side of the chart. All we could do is do probabilities by studying the data and the history. So that's why I'm doing. That's gonna be my exit strategy. You guys could do your own. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research and only invest in the money what you're willing to. Only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys. But my exit strategy for XRP and XLM again is that I'm gonna sell half my coins in March of 2025, and then I'm gonna wait, save my other half of my coins for the end of the year for 2025. If they go to higher prices, then I'm gonna sell all my coins. Then like let's just say XLM's about like $3 in March 2025. I'll sell half my coins, and then wait for the end of the year. Maybe it'll reach like $7, $5 to $7, by the 2025, and then I'll sell the rest of my coins there, and I'll be a happy rich man. So hopefully you guys will be too, guys. That's just my thoughts on what I'm doing for XRP and XLM. But you guys have your own exit strategy. But that's what I'm gonna do, guys. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on crypto and Bitcoin, XRP, and XLM. Look at that, guys. Looks like everything's pretty much green now. Only very few coins that I see that are red. Don't miss out. Look at Jasmy's up 25% now. It was 15%. Oh wow, Jasmy's showing the moon. Hopefully you guys saw my Jasmy videos I made a couple days ago. I was trying to let you guys know, but it's already moon. But I mean, it's not too late. I do believe Jasmy is going to get to $1. If you're looking for a good, like a long-term play, I do believe this cycle it'll get to at least $1. And I think Jasmine coin is going to be one of those chosen coins that's going to keep, getting, going to higher prices every bull run cycle. So definitely, take a look at Jasmy. Do some research on Jasmy. If you don't know anything about it, it is called the Bitcoin of Japan, and I do believe it's going to make mega gains. I mean, the bear market low was 0.0028. It's already up like more than like 10x. I think it's up like what would be maybe like a 15x or something like that from the bear market low. But I do believe it's going to get to at least $1 this top of the bull run. It might even go higher, but I'm saying at least $1. So even if you bought in now, you would still lock in like a good 25x. But hopefully you're in it from lower prices. But if you want like almost like a guaranteed 25x, Jasmy coin would be one that I recommend, guys. Don't miss out on Avalanche too. I noticed Avalanche was starting to move also. Let me find the bubble here. Where's the bubble for AVAX? Here, let me type it in. Cause I don't. Oh, here it is. I found it. It's one of those big caps. It's already at $51. It got as high as $52. I do believe AVAX is about to run. I mean, it's got a lot of things going for it. I mean, it's number one gaming coin. It's also got a real world asset narrative. I mean, JP Morgan's got a private coin, a private blockchain on it. The California DMV, has all the California vehicle titles on the AVAX blockchain. Also, in case you didn't know, AVAX just came out with Avalanche 9000, which is basically now anybody could like open up. Anyone could build if you're a developer, anyone could build a layer 1 on Avalanche now for like a couple $1,000 or less. Before, like, you needed like hundreds of thousands of dollars to make a layer 1 Avalanche. And also, in case you guys didn't know, Avalanche used to have subnets, but now they rebranded their subnets name to layer 1s, because that's how good they are. So Avalanche is has you could build your own layer 1 on Avalanche, guys, for like maybe like for like like 99% cheaper than you were able to before. I'm not sure exactly how much it costs, but somewhere between like $1,000 or a couple $1,000. You could probably build your own layer 1 on Avalanche if you're a developer. And I do believe Avalanche, like Jasmine, is going to be one of those staple blockchains. It's one of those staple coins that's going to be around forever or for a long time. I don't see it going anywhere. I mean, it's got the #1 Web3 game of the year, Off the Grid. I mean, it's got a lot of heavy backers. I mean, you got J.P. Morgan behind it, and we know he's an insider. He's a rich man. So I mean, if he's investing in Avalanche, it's not going anywhere. I mean, even the California DMV is using Avalanche, and usually California leads the way. So if the California DMV is leading the way, I mean, it's probably pretty soon other DMVs of other U.S. states are going to using Avalanche blockchain as well to put their titles on the blockchain, guys. Everything's going to be tokenized. It looks like that's what the governments want around the world. They want everything to be tokenized. Everything's going digital, guys. So stay bullish on cryptocurrency. Stay bullish on Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, Avalanche. Jasmine. These are all my favorite coins. I hold all of them. Just being transparent. I hold all the coins I talk about. I pretty much hold them, guys. I've done a lot of research on them, and I'm very bullish on them. I always recommend Jasmine, Avalanche, XRP, XLM, Bitcoin, of course, Ethereum, and if you're looking for a low market cap, it's not too late yet. If you want to get into XCN, Onyx Coin is one that I recommend. If you want, if you have if you have nothing in crypto right now and you still want to make some good gains, I recommend XCN. It's got a low market cap. It's only got like a $68 million dollar market cap, and it's a DeFi protocol play. It's an Ethereum layer 2. So I mean, it's in a good blockchain. It's got heavy backers. The Nasdaq is backing it, and Visa is backing it. It's got a lot of heavy hitters on it behind it, and it's got a low market cap. And I do, you can't forget about DeFi, guys. Remember, cryptocurrencies were created for decentralized financing. So XCN is all about DeFi. It's a DeFi platform where you could stake. I believe the staking is like at 35% right now. You could stake XCN on there and earn 35% staking rewards of XCN. And I do believe we are going to see a DeFi bull run. It's probably going to start sometime in 2025. But don't forget about the DeFi coins, guys. I do believe they're going to run too, and that's why cryptocurrency was invented in the first place, guys. So don't forget about DeFi, and I do recommend Onyx Coin, guys. XCN, that's going to run hard. I do believe it could get to at least 10 cents to 20 cents. So I mean, it could at least do like a 50 to 100x from the prices today, guys. So definitely don't miss out on Onyx Coin, guys. If you're looking for a good meme coin right now, guys, I would recommend Crow with Knife. I mean, there's a lot of them out there, guys. I mean, look into your favorite meme coin. But I noticed that Crow with Knife is only at $34 million dollar market cap. So I mean, it wouldn't be a bad play. Crow with Knife only 34 million market cap. It's on the crypto.com blockchain CRO Crow. And I do see the CRO token. That's another one I recommend is the CRO token. I think that one's going to do like a moonshot like BNB did. The BNB token did last cycle. I think the BNB of this cycle is going to be the CRO token, guys. And if the CRO token moonshots like BNB did last cycle, that's going to put all its meme coins to the moon. And Crow with Knife, CAW, is on the Cronos blockchain, guys. And if you notice, guys, like all the Ethereum meme coins have been mooning, the Solana meme coins have been mooning, the base coins have been mooning, but not the crypto.com meme coins. They have not been mooning. So the CRO blockchain meme coins, they haven't been mooning yet. They've gone up a bit, but not like moonshots like 100x or like 1000x like some of the Solana meme coins and Ethereum meme coins have done. So that's why I think if you get into the CRO blockchain meme coins, I think they're gonna moon sometime later in 2025, guys. They still have low market caps, so look into the CRO blockchain meme coins. I mean, just a little tip there. And I would recommend like something like Crow with Knife. It's the #1 meme coin on the Cronos blockchain, and it's got big community behind it. So I do believe people are gonna make it, go to the moon. So definitely get into Crow with Knife. Looks like I got a question here. It says, how much do you think XRP is going to rise to? Yeah, if you guys haven't seen my XRP price prediction, I'll give it to you guys right now. I do believe, like I was saying, I don't know if you guys heard me earlier, but I went over it. I do believe XRP is going to get to, like my bearish case scenario is at least $15 for XRP. Yeah, at least that would be my bearish case scenario. But now that I see moonshotting so much, like I think realistically, it could get to like 20 million. $20, which would be about like like $1 trillion market cap. That's where I think it could get. But I think it's going to get to at least like $15, guys, because I do think it's going to be a really good cycle for XRP. So my bearish case scenario, I think it could at least get to around $15. And then my bullish case scenario, Bitcoin, gets to like 250K or above, I think it could get to like $20 and even more. I mean, XRP has been, surprising me. It's been surpassing my expectations, what I've been trying to say. So, I think $15 might be kind of low, but I'm just, I'm conservative. I think it could at least get to $15, and my bullish case scenario is $20, but it doesn't mean that it can't go higher than $20. It might go higher than $20, but I'm just doing it by market cap. I mean, like at $15, it's already going to have like an $850 market cap, and at $20, it's going to have like $1 trillion market cap. So that's why I'm staying conservative. But I don't know. I mean, like it could even go higher than $1 trillion market cap. But I'm staying conservative. I think it could at least get to $15 XRP this cycle, which would be like about $855 billion market cap. But there is a good chance it could get to over $1 trillion market cap, and be around $20 right now. XRP is number 3. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that XRP, it flipped Solana and Tether. So XRP is now number 3, only behind Bitcoin at number 1 and Ethereum at number 2, and XRP is at number 3. And right now the market cap is at $154 billion market cap. So if it did a 10x from here, it would be about like a $27. So at $27, it would have like a $1.5 trillion market cap. I mean, it's totally possible, guys. I mean, like, I don't want to fade XRP because, I mean, like, you saw what it did in 2017. Like I showed earlier, in 2017, it did mega gains. It did like a 600x in 2017. So, I mean, if XRP does just 100x from the bear market low of 30 cents, 100x would be 3 cents, $3. I mean, 30 cents would be 30 cents, then it would be $3 and $30. So 100x from the bear market low of XRP of 30 cents would be $30, guys. So it might actually do 100x, and go all the way up to $30. Because last time in 2017, it did a 600x. So, I mean, I'm not going to fade XRP. I mean, I'm just being conservative. Just to answer your question, I think it could get at least to $15, and it could possibly go up to $20 or higher. Let's see what it says here. I only have like 65 coins or so, $1.42 a share. Well, that's good. I mean, if that's all you got to start somewhere. I mean, if it gets to like if it gets to like $20, that'd be like a good 10x. And let me see another question here. Let me say, it says, what are your thoughts on pre-sale coins? I see guys talking about investments groups to buy coins or pre-sales and make all their money or launch. Well, I mean, the pre-sales, if you gotta research the project and see where it comes from. I mean, if you're able to get into like a good pre-sale, but right now I wouldn't really be looking into pre-sales. I just right now pretty much if you pick any coin right now, it's gonna go up. Right here in the parabolic rally, I would just focus right now on coins that are that are established. Like maybe if you're looking for mega gains right now, I would look into Jasmy and XCN. I mean, those are good coins already that you don't have to worry about because we know they're gonna go up. I mean, the Jasmy coin already has all the coins into circulation. It's already the total supply and the circulating supply is already the same at 50 billion, and I do believe it's gonna get to $1. So I mean, you could at least get to $1 from the 3 cents it's at right now, or 4 cents almost. You could do at least a 25x, or like I said, the XCN. You could almost guarantee like a 50x to 100x on XCN. But I wouldn't worry too much right now about pre-sale. Maybe look into like low market cap coins. If you're probably better off getting into like Crow with Knife, like a good meme coin with the low market cap. Like I said earlier, Crow with Knife only has like a 35 million market cap, and I'm pretty sure Crow with Knife is going to do like a 100x at the top of the bull run. So I mean, at 100x would only be like a 300 like a $3 billion market cap. And I mean, Doge and SHIB, they all got like 40-50 billion dollar market cap last cycle, and you saw what Pepe did. So I mean, like, it might be better off to get into like some established coins that are going to run right now than getting into pre-sale. But maybe for the next bear market, once we get into the bottom of the bear market, sometime in 2026, then I might be looking into some pre-sale. But right now, I would just be focusing on established coins because I mean, right now it's running. Every coin's going to run right now because on pre-sales, maybe you'll get some people that that are going to start dumping right away. And I wouldn't want to deal with that. Right now, I'm getting only into established coins. Oh wait, I got more questions here. Let me see what it says. I am just trying to learn what to watch out and where to get my information. You bought some Crow Knife? Yeah. Well, yeah. I mean, like, definitely. Just you gotta do your own research. You could listen to some YouTubers. Just be careful with some YouTubers that are shilling coins. A lot of YouTubers, sometimes they show their coins because they're getting paid to sponsor them. I have no sponsorship. I'm a small channel. I'm just getting started off. Sometimes the smaller channels are better because they don't have no sponsors and they're just they're not getting paid by other people. I've been researching crypto for the last 3 years. I saw all of their bear market 2022, 2023, 2024. And, like every day for the last 3 years, I've been researching into crypto like basically at least 5 to 6 hours a day. So I'm pretty well versed now. I pretty much know what I'm doing kind of. So that's what I'm saying. I wouldn't be getting into pre-sales right now. I would just look for low market cap. If you don't have that much money to invest right now, like say you only have $1,000, you don't want to invest. You don't want to be investing into like big caps. I would look for small market cap coins that haven't run yet, and that are well established and that have all their coins in circulation. Like Crow with Knife, that's an excellent one. That's good if you bought Crow with Knife because it's only got a $35 million market cap. It's already in circulation, and I do think the Cronos blockchain meme coins are gonna do good. They're laggers though. Last cycle, the Crow blockchain, the Cronos token, it didn't run until the end of 2021. So it was one of those late bloomers, and I think Crow and Crow meme coins are going to be late bloomers again. Let me see what else. Another question here. It says, right now I have XRP, Shiba Inu, Bonk, Bitcoin, and Crow with Knife. Those are good coins, dude. Those are all well-established coins. I mean, you can't go wrong with XRP. I mean, XRP is mooning. It's very popular. It's got a big community. So, the community is always going to hold up XRP. And you see what XRP is doing, so you can't go wrong with XRP. You can't face Shiba Inu too because it's a popular meme coin. It's the number 2 meme coin. It has all its coins in circulation. And SHIB has, it's like the number 1 meme coin in returns last cycle. So I mean, I definitely think SHIB's going to do good this cycle, and it hasn't started It's only moved a little bit. I think SHIB is barely going to start its run. SHIB is an Ethereum layer 2 meme coin. And Ethereum is also a lagger. So the Ethereum meme coins like SHIB and and Floki and all the Ethereum meme coins, they're gonna start running once Ethereum goes into price discovery. Once Ethereum makes a new all-time high, it goes above 4,800. That's when the Ethereum layer 2 meme coins are gonna start running. So yeah, SHIB is good, and then what else you say you have? You have Bonk. Yeah, Solana meme coins. Bonk is really good too. It's already moves a lot, but it's been just been going sideways. It hasn't been running up that much. But I think once Solana gets above 260 again, Bonk is going to start running. So Bonk is definitely going to be a big returner. Bitcoin, of course, and Crowwood Knife, like I already said, is also going to have good returns. Let's see, another question here. It says, that's why I clicked on your channel, because the last guy I was watching just kept trying to sell his investment group. Yeah, guys, just watch out for that. There's a lot of known YouTubers, like, they show a coin. Like they'll just come, like they'll show like a meme coin, and then like before they show it on their channel, they already bought. Like, let's just say they show like a meme coin called like XYZ. I'm just making up a name. They go like, oh yeah, guys, they'll buy XYZ first, a lot of it, and then like, oh, they'll show all the, if they're like have a big following, they'll be like, oh, XYZ is the next big meme coin to get all of their subscribers to buy it. And then once the price goes up, they'll sell it, and then the price will correct. And just to let you know, most meme coins, they run up hard, but they crash hard. Never chase a green candle. Always buy the red. Just like Warren Buffett says. Warren, if you don't know who Warren Buffett is like a big stock investor. He invests in stocks. He's an old man, so he doesn't invest in crypto. But I mean, you can still apply the same analysis to crypto you do in stocks. He says you gotta buy the red, buy the blood in the street. That's what I did this bear market. I bought everything when it was in the red. I bought AVAX. Like right at $9. The bear market low was like $8.60. So I was able to catch the low right there. I bought Jasmine coin pretty low too. Everybody was hating on Jasmine. There were a lot of YouTubers that were hating on Jasmine, but I did my research. It was gonna, it was gonna be the Bitcoin of Japan, and it has a lot of data and real world asset, narratives, the Internet of Things. So that's what you gotta do, is you gotta buy the red, you gotta buy the blood in the street. Don't chase green candles. Like right now, I wouldn't be chasing, any green candles. You want to buy the coins that haven't run yet, especially if you don't have that much money to invest. I mean, if you're a millionaire, you can invest $1 million into Bitcoin right now and at least do 100% move, and make another $1 million. But if you only got $1,000, you got to be looking for the low market cap. Look for the low market cap coins that already have either all their coins in circulation or most of their coins in circulation. Because coins that have low circulating supply, that just means the team's gonna dump on you, or there's gonna be unlocks, and they're gonna make the price go down. So that's why I recommend Jasmine coin, XCN. I really recommend XCN, because XCN, Jasmine coins already run up a lot, but I still think it has a good 25x on it. But XCN, it hasn't run up a lot. The bear market low for XCN, here, let me type it in here. It was 0007. And it's only up like let's see what the price is here. I'm getting to it. See, the price is only 0.0021, but see, the bear market low is 0007. It's only up 200%. So that's pretty low, because a lot of coins have been already mooning. I mean, some coins already have 10x or more, or 5x or more. So if you're looking for XCN, you could buy it on Coinbase, and I think XCN at the prices today still has a good 50x on it. So yeah, it's okay. What another question here? I heard Bonk is getting ready to put on Robinhood. Oh, that's good. I hope. I would love Bonk to go on Robinhood. I also have I have a Robinhood account. Like, you gotta have accounts everywhere. I have an account like just about in every exchange here that you're able to have an account in the U.S. because I'm in the U.S. So I hope Robinhood lists Bonk. That will make it go up. I own some Bonk too, by the way, just being transparent. So Bonk would be good too. I think Bonk still got like a good 10x at least from the price today. But if you're looking for higher returns, I would recommend something like XCN. Again, I'm not getting paid for it. I'm not a sponsor of it. Nobody pays me for anything. This is just for my own research. I own a lot of XCN. It's one of my big plays. I do think it could get to at least 10 cents, maybe even the all-time high of 18 cents. So that'd be like a good 50x, maybe even 100x. So, guys. But if you want to do your own research, look for coins, with low market caps, under 100 million market cap that haven't ran yet, and they have most of the circulating supply, either all of it or most of it. See, like XCN, the total supply for XCN is 48 billion XCN, but the circulating supply is already 30.79 billion. So that's most of it, and it doesn't have any unlocks scheduled. Always look on CoinMarketCap. Go to CoinMarketCap.com, and it'll tell you it has unlocks. But see, this one doesn't. This one does not have any unlocks. I'll show you a coin that has a lot of unlocks that I probably wouldn't buy right now because like Vara. If you look at Vara, I'm just going there because I know it has a lot of unlocks. I've looked at it. I mean it's still gonna Vara is still gonna be a good play, but it does have what I don't like about it. It's got a lot of unlocks, and it doesn't have that many. It's not listed on that many exchanges. Also, make sure it's listed on a lot of exchanges. But look at all the unlocks. See, Vara network token unlocks. It's got a lot of unlocks. See, look at this. A lot of unlocks. We're in November, but look at all these unlocks all the way till September 2027. So this is why I wouldn't buy Vara because it's got way too many unlocks. And look at the circulating supply. The circulating supply for Vara is 835.81 million, but the total supply is 10 billion. So that's only like that's under like a 10% circulating supply to total supply. That's why look for coins that that are at least 50% circulating supply or all of it. The more closer to 100% circulating supply, the better. Like Crowwood Knife would be a good one because it's already got all the coin circulating supply. It's a meme coin. It's only a $35 million market cap. So that's why I would recommend Crowwood Knife. Here we go, another question here. XCN on Crypto.com. I'm not sure if XCN is on Crypto.com. Let me see. Let me go to XCN. Let's see where it's listed. If you go to CoinMarketCap, I know it's listed on Coinbase. I know XCN is listed on Coinbase. I'm not sure if it's on Crypto.com. Yeah, that's why you gotta have a few exchanges because not all the coins are listed on Crypto.com. Let's see, XCN, it says Coinbase, BitGet, Uniswap, Kraken, KuCoin, Gate.io, BitGex, BitHub, PancakeSwap, okay, Uniswap. Yeah, I don't see Crypto.com. So yeah, it looks like XCN is not on Crypto.com, or at least not yet. But it is on Coinbase. Maybe open up a Coinbase account if you really want to get XCN. Do your own research on it. Yep, it's not on Coinbase. It's not on Crypto.com, but it is on Coinbase. Yeah, if you're interested in XCN, do some research on it. And I know for sure you could buy it on Coinbase. But it's definitely, I did not see it on Crypto.com. Yeah, XCN is not listed on Crypto.com according to CoinMarketCap. But if you have a Crypto.com coin, there's a lot of good coins at Crypto.com. Like I said, there's CAW, Crowwood Knife, and take a look, click on some of the coins on Crypto.com and, look for the ones that have low market cap, that have all the circulating supply, and that are well-established coins. And do some research on it. Go to their website, do some research on it. See if it looks legit, and that's how you learn. Do your own research. It's good, to listen to people, but at the long run, you gotta start doing your own research. That way, you can become a good investor. I did this channel, kind of to help myself and to help people, because when I do my own research, and then by doing the videos, it's kind of like writing it down, but I don't really like writing. But when I do the video, it kind of sticks to my head. So everything I've learned as I do the videos, it kind of gets more cemented in my head. So I learn more, and I like going to the charts because I learn more about the charts. I look at the charts every day, and I see patterns in charts, and I see what it does. And that way, I become a better and better trader every day. But yeah, right now it's not the time. Unless you're a master trader, it's probably not the time to do short-term trading. Right now, I would just hold my coins to about March 2025, and because I do believe Bitcoin and most of the cryptocurrencies are going to rally. There is going to be corrections along the way, because again, nothing goes up in a straight line. But they're gonna rally. They're gonna keep making higher prices until March of 2025. Bitcoin and most coins, and I do see bearish things for March of 2025. That's why I'm probably gonna sell half of my coins sometime in March 2025, and save the other half for later in the year, in case we do go into higher prices. But by March 2025. Prices are going to be a lot higher, so you got to lock in some targets. So I'm gonna lock in my profits. You got to lock in some profits. So I'm gonna lock in profits on March 2025, and then save some coins for later. Let me see any more questions. It says, I need to set up more trading accounts. Yeah, I would recommend Coinbase. If you don't have a Coinbase, definitely check it into Coinbase. See another question. Yeah, I'm just taking notes. So check market caps. Make sure. Check how many coins are in circulation. Yeah, that's all. That's definitely that's good right there. Yeah, I'm sure you know Coin Market Cap. I'm sure you already know that website. But Coin Market Cap or CoinGecko.com is also a good one. But I like using Coin Market Cap. But a lot of people also use CoinGecko, which is the same thing. But I like Coin Market Cap. It's just CoinMarketCap.com. So you just click on the name. You could go here, cryptocurrency, the ranking. It'll take you to the top 100, and then you can look at lower market cap coins. Also look at Crypto Bubbles. If you don't know how to use Crypto Bubbles, it's a good one too. It's CryptoBubbles.net. This one shows you just visuals which coins are doing better for that day. And then up here, you go to lower market cap. Like right now, I'm at 801 to 900. These are low market caps. Like XCN, I believe is around 600 or 500 market cap. So you could scroll down through these market caps. The higher the number, the lower the market cap. Let's see where. Let me type in Crow with Knife. See where it would be, just to give you an example. See, like Crow with Knife is at 833. So all these coins right here between 801 and 900 are low market cap. Crow with Knife 34.29 market cap. So there's a lot of room. And then if you want to know the circulating supply, you go to CoinMarketCap.com. You type in the coin CAW over the ticker. You look it up here. And then right here on the left hand side, it'll show you all the stats you need to know. The most important thing is that the circulating supply is at least 50% or higher. The closer it is to 100%, the better. See, like right here, total supply of CAW is 777 trillion. Max supply is the same, 777 trillion. And the circulating supply is just about the same, 769.86 trillion, which is basically like 99.9% of it. See, and Crow with Knife, the all-time low, it'll tell you the all-time low, was made in April 10, 2024. So it's not an old coin; it's a newer coin. And it's only up 365% up from the all-time low. The all-time high was 66015, and the current price of 7044 is 70% down from the all-time high, which it's got a lot of room. I do believe Crow with Knife could probably do like at least 50x possibly maybe even 100x from the price of today. So definitely, take a look at CoinMarketCap and learn everything about it. It'll show you what exchanges have it. If you don't know where to buy it, it'll show you where to buy it right here. Crowwood Knife is it's in a lot of dexes, but luckily it is on Crypto.com. I like Crypto.com because it has a lot of meme coins. So definitely take a look at CoinMarketCap. Let me see any other question. VeChain. I do think VeChain is gonna do good. I don't hold any right now. I mean, I love all cryptocurrencies, but I can't hold all of them. But VeChain is like an older coin. Like let me type it in, VeChain, real quick. I don't think it'll do bad. I mean, it's kind of like one of those OG coins. It did really good last cycle, but I just can't. I don't think it's bad, but I mean, like, I just I can't. I don't have enough money to buy all of them. But I just think there's I'm more into like the low market cap, like Jasmine Coin, XCN, Suku. I'm more betting on the low market caps. I'm going for bigger gains, but I do think VeChain is gonna do good. I mean, see, it already did really good. The all-time low was March 12, 2020 at 0.001. If you would have bought it back then, it did really good. It got a size of 27 cents. So basically, it did like it did like over 100x. It did like like almost a 200x. So a lot of times when coins do really good in one cycle, the next cycle it won't do as good. But it doesn't mean it can't go. It's not going to do good. I do think it's going to do good. I do think VeChain could get to probably anywhere between 50 cents to $1 this cycle. But that's just I'm going for higher profits, for higher gains. But I do think VeChain could get to somewhere around 50 cents to $1 on this cycle. See, because the all-time highs are 27 cents, so I think it could definitely at least do a double it, or probably even do a 4x from its all-time high. So that's why I'm doing my price target for VeChain would be somewhere around 50 cents to $1. And so if you look at the circulating supply, it's really good. It's got circulating supply is 80.99. The total supply is 85.99. It's not a bad coin. I mean, if you like it, it is going to make gains. But like I said, I would prefer something with a lower market cap. See, because the market cap's already 5.39. See, I would have bought VeChain. Let's just see what the bear market low. Now, if you would have bought it when it was like a 1 cent, something like that. Let's see what the bear market low was. The bear market low, I think, was like a 1 cent. See, like 1 cent 5, I see 1 cent 4. See, if you would have bought it a penny, then it would have been great. If you bought it a penny, it would have been great, because you could like do a 50x to a 100x. Because I do think it could get to like 50 cents to $1. But see, right now, if I bought it like a 6 cents, if it got to 50 cents, I'd be basically only doing like a what is it, like a 7x or 8x, like a 8x, somewhere like a 8x to like a 15x. So that's why I would rather invest into Jasmine Coin, where I could do a 25x, or into like XCN, where I could do like a 50 to 100x, or to a Crowwood Knife, where I could do like 100x. But yeah, if you like VeChain, I mean, it's a good coin. I don't see anything wrong with it. It does have a lot of heavy backers behind it. I do think it's gonna do good. I think it's gonna get to 50 cents to $1. But again, I would have bought VeChain at a penny at the bear market low. But right now, since it's already gone up, like a 6x from its bear market low, I'm like any little bit of dry powder I get right now, I'm not gonna even though I love XRP right now and XLM, I'd rather put my dry powder I have right now into something with a low market cap, because I already own a lot of XRP and XLM. I bought XRP when I was at 40 cents, and I bought XLM when I was at 8 cents. So I already have my bags full of XRP, XLM. So now any dry powder, any money I get, I would put it into a low market cap coin like Crowwood Knife, Jasmine, or XCN, or Suku. Some of my favorites. Oh, another question. Let's see. If you if you hover over the circle next to the V, the blue circle shows percentage in circulation. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. Yep, 93.39%. Oh well, thanks. Thanks for that tip. I didn't even know that. You know, see, learn something new every day. I just do it by numbers. So yep, you're right. Yeah, it's already 93% in circulation. So that's pretty good. So yeah, try to find coins that are as close to 100% in circulation, and you'll do good in this cycle. So yeah, hopefully that helps. What's your name? Tinfoil.id. Cool. Well, thanks for the questions. That's good. We bought Jasmine coin. I really think it's going to do good this cycle. I think it'll get you at least $1. Some people are even predicting it'll get you $2. But I'm always conservative. I always go on the low side. I'd rather be surprised than disappointed. So I'm gonna sell I'm gonna sell half my Jasmine at $1, and then I'm gonna save out half my Jasmine coins for higher prices. But I gotta lock in some profits. So I'm gonna sell half my coins at $1. Cool. Well, yeah. I'm glad you bought some Jasmine coin. I think you're gonna make some good profits in that. Yeah, that's good that you're learning. Do your own research. If you have any more questions, save them for tomorrow. I don't want to make the video too long, but I'll be online tomorrow again. If you have any more questions, I'll answer them at the end of the video. But yep, nice answering your questions. Tinfoil.id. Good luck to you. I'm pretty sure. Looks like you're pretty studious and. Looks like you're gonna do a lot of research, and I'm sure you're gonna do good this cycle. It's not too late yet. There's a lot of coins that haven't popped off yet. Like I said, what I'm doing again, don't buy or sell any coin because I say so. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my thoughts. Do your own research and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose. But everything I say in my videos is just what I'm doing and what I'm thinking. Okay, but I have been researching the Bitcoin and crypto market the last 3 years, like every single day for at least 5 to 6 hours a day. So I do love crypto, and I plan to keep doing it because I like it. I love trading, and I love I guess I like to make money too. so yeah, so kudos to you, tinfoil.id. I know you're gonna do good. Oh, one last question says, I am going to head to bed myself. I appreciate all of the info. Oh, cool. All right then. Well, have a good night. And yeah, if you have any more questions, I usually do my lives, around this time or earlier, around this time tomorrow. Yeah, if you have any more questions, just ask me tomorrow, and I'll answer them at the end of the video. All right, guys. Well, stay bullish on the market, guys. Stay bullish on Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, Jasmine Coin, Avalanche, XCN. You guys do your own research. I'm sure you guys have your favorites out there. Really, I love all the cryptocurrencies. And I love all the coins. I don't hate any coin. I love all the coins, guys. If the price is going up and we could make money, I love it, guys. That's the name of the game. That's why you gotta lock in some profits. Make sure you lock in some profits before the top of the bull run. That's why I'm thinking sometime in beginning of March, I'm gonna lock in my profits for most of my coins before we might get a big crash, guys. But again, guys, we'll take a look at it day by day. You guys stay bullish in the market. This Top Crypto Bull signing off. Oh yeah, before I forget, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.